Alright folks, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna get me some spacers and I'm just gonna use pennies. I'm gonna use 3 pennies as my spacer. Put 3 right there. Take 3 more. Put 3 right there. Put 3 right there, so on and so on. I'm gonna put 3 pennies and, you know, I'm gonna spread them out so it gets a good secure, it don't wobble. You know what I'm saying? I don't want my screen, I don't want my new countertop to wobble. Of course, it ain't gonna wobble when I'm done with it because I will be putting down some adhesive. Actually, I'm gonna do that next. And yeah, I'm gonna be putting down some liquid nail pretty quickly. As soon as I'm done putting these pennies down, liquid nail's going down. I'll put that penny, put that right there. I'll go ahead and put 3 more pennies right up here in the front. Right there. Well, let's go right there. We got some right there. Here's some right there. Okay, I'm gonna glue those down too. Those are gonna be glued with my I got liquid nail, folks. Some liquid nails. Now let's just go along that edge right there. What the hell? Am I running out of liquid nail or something? It is not pumping out. Well, I'm out of liquid nail. There's some. Some's coming out. I don't need a whole lot. I just need it in key spots. Come on. I'm gonna have enough. My liquid nail needs to be at about the same height as that in pennies. As thick as those pennies are, is what I'm saying. You don't want to get this showing your shirt. I'm just going to put it in spots because, you know, like I said, I don't live on an airplane and we're not going to be doing flips. Gravity will hold this down for the most part. Yeah. Get some glue in some key spots. Especially all 4 corners. Around them pennies. Now I'm gonna take my tools up out of there so I don't set my countertop right on top of my tools. Folks, I'm gonna carry this countertop in here in just a second, and we'll set it right on top of there. Oh, my back's on fire, folks. After I set this down on this glue, that's it. I gotta make a drink and I'll let this dry overnight, and I will relax for the rest of the day. It's already 3:30. I've been working on this shit all damn day. Okay. There we go. I'll take the tape off later. This masking tape, it ain't gonna hurt to be on there right now. I'll get it off later. I can see right here it's gonna need a little bit of a shim, some more pennies under there, or some glue. Just once that glue settles, it'll be all right. Right up against the wall real good. Yep. Don't pinch your ice maker wire. Looks good. Looks good to me, folks. Yep. That's the end I cut off. That trim will cover, go back in the corner. I'll get some more trim for that. All right. That's it. Let's set overnight and let that liquid nail dry, harden up a little bit better. And then we will bring our sink in and hook everything back up tomorrow. And we'll show you the end product. Folks, take a break. Go get you a drink. This is intermission. Be back in just a second with the rest of this video. As soon as tomorrow comes. But you don't get to see it right away because that's the magic of television. Bye-bye. All right, folks, it's the next day. And I beat these tabs down. These tabs on this sink, I've done hammered them down sideways. So hopefully this sink will fit down in here now. And then I can put a screwdriver in there and straighten those tabs out later. Let's see if we can get this thing to fit. Fall right in place, please. Fall right in place, please. Sitting on them tabs, man. Oh, those tabs are like causing me a freaking hell of a damn headache. How much is it going to give us a light? Which tab is it? That one's in. All right. This one. This tab right here. Nope, it ain't that one. It's that one in the front that's screwing me. All right. Well, I'll show you. I'm gonna knock your ass sideways. I'm gonna knock you silly. That one don't want to. That one's gonna be a booger. I'm pretty sure of it. Yeah, that one's gonna be a booger. What you really need is a pry bar. If you can find it, yeah, I got one. Okay, let's just take this pry bar and push that right on in. There we go. Now that was a trick. And it's about to fall right in place. Ding, ding. All right. Okay, the only thing holding me up now, folks, is let me get a flashlight. Be right back. It won't take long. I already got one close by. Okay, now we go underneath. Alrighty, see how close we are? We're pretty damn close. Now we gotta go underneath and line up our plumbing. Because that's the only thing holding it from falling down into place. Okay, now I've already tightened up the bottom ring. What do you call it, ring? I've already tightened up this one. Now I just need 4. Let me find what I had yesterday. Where's that thing I had yesterday? I'll tell you what, folks, I'll show you this. A sandbag will work just as well, but I got this Miracle-Gro. Miracle-Gro works perfect for holding your flashlight right where you need it. Look at that. If you need an extra hand, just get you a sandbag. Or, in this case, some Miracle-Gro. Now, we're gonna go ahead and get that to line up in that pipe. That right there is my drain line. And I'm gonna let it just fall right in place. Just like so. There we go. That will be the ticket. Right there. Alrighty. Go ahead and do that. Now we're gonna have to get under here later and put all our what you call it's in, because you know, if it doesn't sit completely flat, like see that I got a little bend spot, whatever, these will pull it down tight to the countertop. So that's what I'm going to use those for. While I'm here, might as well hook up my what you call it? What you call it? What do you call it? I call it a garbage disposal. I'll do that. Anyway, folks, y'all don't need to see all this. You already know what you did when you took it apart. So just do the reverse when you put it back together, and then you can continue washing your dishes or whatever the hell you're gonna do. See, I put that right back up there in place. All right, folks, I've got everything installed. I got everything working. My water's hooked up. My drain's hooked up right here. Got all my water lines hooked back up. And well, I hooked my garbage disposal up where it drains up there. That's where the drain is for the garbage disposal. I mean, that's what, sorry, not my garbage disposal. That's the drain for my dishwasher. But the drain for my garbage disposal hooks up with these 2 bolts. There's one there and there's one on the other side. The one on the other side, I can't find it. Uh-oh. Yeah, I can't find it. I've lost the damn bolt, man. I've looked everywhere. So, I have to go to Ace Hardware with this damn thing. I gotta take this one out and go to Ace Hardware with 1 bolt so I can finish this whole job. I gotta go find another bolt at Ace. I might as well get 2 matching ones. I'm done sure I won't be buying no flat-headed though. If I do anything, it'll be Phillips head or Hex. Allen maybe, but not no flathead. I'll never buy a flathead anything, because shoot, whoever invented flathead, they ought to be in jail. All right, folks, I'm gonna not use the water on the side of the sink that the garbage disposal's on. Actually, I probably shouldn't use the water at all, but I want to. Yay! Let's let the air out, both sides, and all right, this job's done. I'll show you one more time when I clean everything up. Once I get done. Once I get everything cleaned back up, I'll show it how it looks. I got a little bit of, I can tighten that thing back up under there and fix that. Otherwise, there it is. Yep, all righty, folks, that's it. It's done. That's a done deal. Got water. Just need to clean the sink out now. A little dirty, but whatever. Uh-oh. What in the hell? What in the hell? What in the hell happened there? We'll fix that. Anyhow, it's done, folks. I got the end pieces on there gluing. I need the glue to dry, and then I got some black caulk to put on there, and then I gotta get me a little trim piece for there. This job's done. Yeah, thanks for watching.